Hey everyone, it's me, Zoe, and today
And me!
and Riley, and today we are going to be playing Ride a Cart into Slender Man.
So yeah, there's a lot of traffic jams.
Yeah, there is a lot of traffic jams. But if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notifications, and let's get on with the video.
Yet. No one won yet.
Let's get on with the video. There's no winners? Oh, that sucks. Okay. Riley. By the way, Riley's on my iPad. And if you don't know what her channel is, it's Riley Gamer. Her channel.
Oh, help me! No, I know.
Sorry.
Okay.
I didn't.
There we go.
I had to stop it at first. Okay.
Yeah. Oh. I wanted the button.
Go. Wait, go.
It looks like it's
I'm trying to. Wait, do not leave the cart, okay? Go. There. Perfect. That. Yay.
Go.
Yay. Yay.
Did you just?
Oh no. Oh, no. God. Traffic jam. Did they push you or did you fall?
I don't know. I'm just gonna come running on the track. Don't leave without me. They're gonna be coming. Don't worry. Whee. Wait, no, that's not you.
Yo, he got in my cart. I don't want to be in your cart. I'm gonna go in your cart. That should be my new theme song. Hey, what's up? Are you real YouTube? Yes, I'm like real? Yes. I'm filming right now. Hi YouTube. Wait, what? I don't know why they all like being in YouTube. I mean, this is normal for me.
Normal for me. Oh,
I think I see your channel. Yay!
Tell me what it is called.
What is it then? Ah. A sub. Thank you. I've seen your channel. What is it?
No! No!
What is it? She's gonna be on my videos as she actually is. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? Oh, I think she's typing it. Oh. Is Zoe.
No!
It is Zoe J. Sorry. I'd remember, but I'm one of your friends dumped or something like that. I dumped water on my head for 20 subs. I dumped water on my head for 20 subs.
I think you guys are gonna be able to get up to the top.
First, you have to go to Slenders, then winners. Oh yeah, I know it was Riley. Oh, I'm accepting your friend request. I accept everybody, okay? Oh. Right. What? Oh my gosh, I think I met a fan. Over Roblox. My channel is Zoe.
Why does it say ABC in the middle of the screen?
Because I put caps on, then I turned them down. Let me see. Let me see.
Oh.
Is it? If you don't believe me, you're not a real fan. Because it's true. Wait, what if she watches this video? That'd be great. Oh my gosh, that'd be cool. That'd be so cool.
I don't know why.
That'd be cool. Oh yeah, what? Ugh.
I'm gonna win. See, look how cool I am. I'm winning.
She's just walking. Wait, look!
Ow!
I made it to cylinders. Stay here. Wait, stay here. That's what I do, so if I die, I go back here. I didn't want you to come with me. Okay, well, whatever. Okay, guys. I have to go to the bathroom, so I will be right back. Hey, everyone! Okay, so I'm back from the bathroom. And now I'm just gonna get in the cart with Liz.
No, come on with me.
I hope you watch this video. Oh.
Did you leave?
I died.
Fine.
That was weird. Yo. Hope you watch this video, Liz. And if you do comment on the video. She said okay. Yay. And tell her to subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe if she wants to be in the video. Uh-oh.
If you guys want to be in one of my videos, all you have to do is go to my channel, type in Zoe J.
Move.
Wait.
What?
If you want to be in one of my Roblox videos, all you have to do is subscribe.
Huh? What? Someone pushed me backwards and my coat went flying back.
Oh, well, if you guys want to be in one of my Roblox videos, all you have to do is download the game Roblox, or if you already have it, just search in the friends bar. All you have to search is Zoe J _ YT, but the YTs are capital and the Z's cap. So let me just tell you how exactly it is. It's capital Z in Zoe, and then _ Y. I said it wrong. Okay, sorry guys. It's Zoe J, capital Z, capital J, _ YT, and they're both in caps. YT's in caps. So that's my Roblox username, and if I said it way too complicated, I will put it in the description below. And if you guys friend me on it, I might join one of your games, or you can join one of my games. And all you have to do is tell me that you're a fan if you find me in the game.
And follow Sugar Queen.
And if you want to be in one of Riley's videos, all you have to do is do the same thing.
Make up this map. So letting him how you just tracks
Liz, let's go. Hello. I think she's dead. Well, I'm just gonna continue. Oh, wait. Oh, no, she's not dead. She's not dead. She's not dead.
I mean, I'm kind of fast.
No! I die. I kill myself. Kill myself. Did you see me?
That's why it's stuck. Yeah.
I
For
will.
now. Oh, I just saw you fall.
I'm gonna try and get down there.
No.
Because I want to come and say hi to you. I almost made. Wait, not. Stay there. Stay there. Well, I'm going to pause the video so it's not as long. So I'll see you guys soon. Okay, guys. Well, I was paused. We're really crazy.
I met a fan.
I met a fan. Oh my god. I met a fan. Okay, underscore Liz is actually a fan. She searched my name up. She subscribed. And she met me. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I've never met a fan before. That is
I think
so
you're almost
cool.
crying because you're so excited.
Oh my god.
I'll just walk the rest of the way.
Oh my
I love noodle box. I like noodles.
No! Liz, come! Come over here!
Did you leave?
Liz!
She left without you.
Liz, wait! No!
She abandoned you.
Come back!
Why would you abandon you?
He's my fan. Oh, she got stuck. I'm just gonna walk. I'm so red in my rad red shoes. I died. No, I was almost there. Oh, I forgot.
Come with the coat.
I forgot I was recording. Well, I'm gonna pause again and see what else happens. Okay, guys, I actually unpaused. So no, come back, Liz. No, Liz keeps leaving me. What the heck, Liz? How dare you, Liz? Come back. You're so mean to me. Come back. And then she watches this video and she says, and then she comments, you're weird. Thank you. I know I am. Lots of people do. Okay, I'm just gonna. Oh my gosh! Look! Somebody's walking. They walked all the way up there.
That's a champ.
Oh my gosh, that is a champ. Okay, that. Are you? You're walking too. I feel bad. That you're not here with me.
Don't worry, I'm making my way up.
Don't ask. I like to clap.
Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, that's loud. Hope someone comes with the coat.
Okay, well, I'm going to pause and see how close I can get to winners. If I get really close to winners, I will unpause, okay? Okay, guys, well, I'm going to do the outro because it's almost max time for my recording limit. And outro is like when you end the video. So we're going to end it here, but if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. Hopefully I can meet you guys in my next Roblox video. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.